This is Zach with Achilles Financial, and we are back and we are booming. This has just been a very fun start to earnings season. I'm having a lot of exciting things just to watch. Again, we're seeing a lot of rotations, and that is going to be the key that we're watching today. In terms of what my plays are, you can see here we are, again, really kind of traded sideways today. You'll see that I'm out of my Tesla play. The reason for that is because Tesla traded sideways all day and I can't hold it, so I have lost on Tesla. I don't know how to play it. So I understand that there are people out there who can make a lot of money. I just don't seem to be one of them at this point in time. So I'm going to keep watching it though, just because it is a big mover and I think that rotation will come. But one of the things I want to talk about, as you can see just by my options here on the right hand side, is we've just got a lot of stocks that are really in the tech sector, as well as I've got a lot of time on them, but they are out of the money. The reason that I've selected those stocks and really what I'm looking to do right now is, if you see just one of the different items that I like to watch is going to be the financial sector and how it interacts with the tech sector. And if we just look at over the past month, you can see that over the past week, or this current week, we're seeing a big boost in the pricing of the financial stocks, in particular banks who have been reporting earnings this week. And with that coming into play, we've seen a on fire NASDAQ just start to slow down. And what that means right now is when we go and we look at the tech sector, look at how it's behaved over the past month. And you're saying, hey, this is fantastic, this is cool, we're up 4.5%. And then you see this 3-month and you constantly see it goes up, 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 and then it comes down. And then we bounce back up, comes down, bounce back up. But you see this, it's almost a perfect trend line of going up, up, up. So we just had our up cycle right here, hitting all-time highs on stocks like Nvidia, Facebook, Microsoft, and Apple. And then they kind of drop back down again. This is a pretty big drop, but again, we're starting to build back up, and just look how similar that looks to a lot of our other experience. And this is going right into earnings. And what we're seeing is, I do think that this is going to be another situation of earnings run up. I think that we're not going to see the stock run up a lot the week of, and maybe not even in relation to the actual earnings. But my opinion is that we're going to see this tech sector really start to boom starting next week. Again, that's just a guess, but I was willing to base my guess off of my plays right here. So I've got the TSM earnings play for tomorrow. I've got Nvidia. I've got Facebook and Microsoft. So I'm really looking to make a play on that. I do want to see how they're going to behave tomorrow, and that's all going to start tomorrow when TSM, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, announces earnings pre-market. So what I'm looking to do is flip this as well as Nvidia tomorrow at market open, unless it's just a phenomenal statement or they say, hey, we just absolutely killed it, because we may see a continuation there. But I think that there's going to be a lot of potential off this play, and I think that we're going to start seeing tech rotate back in preparation of earnings. So again, if you look at Microsoft, if you look at Facebook, you can see that we've got these earnings plays that are just coming back in. Again, July 22nd. So we're looking at plays that are going to occur next week. And this is going to be big, because I think we're going to start getting those run-ups where you can see these plays. Hey, we hit all-time highs, we held, and now we're starting to lose. So I think that we're going to start seeing that get built back in next week. So the plays that I'm recommending right now, or going into tomorrow, is going to be get time. I'm looking at farther out of the money, but still reasonable. Again, you can see my Microsoft play right here is a 260 for September 18th. But I'm looking at a one that has time, as well as some of that earnings run up. Again, I'm not scared to run out of this or sell out of this prior to the actual earnings call if I see a lot of run up and a lot of IV build. Because again, even just having that IV build up, you can normally profit from that. So that is what I'm going to be watching. That's what we're looking at for this week. Let me know in the comments below what you're going to be playing. And if you have any tips or tricks, let me know. Thanks everyone. Talk to you later.